Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Gadget Guide Pro. Today review a all-new upgrade Apple M4 MacBook. This video will explore its feature design and performance. So let's go. Apple has just unveiled the latest addition to its lineup, the new MacBook Pro, powered by the M4 family of chips. Let's dive into what makes this laptop a game changer. M4 family of chips H. The M4 family of chips, M4, M4 Pro, and M4 Max, delivers faster performance and enhanced capabilities, built using second-generation 3-nanometer technology. These chips provide phenomenal single-threaded CPU performance and outstanding multi-threaded CPU performance. MacBook Pro features. The new MacBook Pro boasts a stunning liquid Retina XDR display, an advanced 12mm center stage camera, and Thunderbolt 5 ports for faster transfer speeds, with up to 24 hours of battery life. This laptop is built to last. Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence transforms how users work, communicate, and express themselves. With features like writing tools, Siri, and image playground, this laptop is so intelligent. Performance and upgraders will experience nearly 10x faster performance for AI-based workloads and up to 20x faster performance for graphics-intensive workloads. With battery life increased by up to 14 hours, it's the perfect time to upgrade or switch to a Mac. Conclusion: the new MacBook Pro is available to pre-order today, with availability beginning November 8. Experience the power of Apple Intelligence and the M4 family of chips. Upgrade or switch to a Mac today. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel Gadget Guide Pro for more smart gadget.